Okay, so I just want to share with you today because you always ask. And of course, tell me I didn't bring it in here. But I did. Okay. Oh, look at this. I just ate, so forgive me. I am imperfect. Somebody had asked me about my lipstick that I wore last night in the live stream. I am wearing the same lipstick today. As I told you, it is from Milanese. It's called French Kiss Lip Cocktail. This is what the tube looks like. The color on this one, it's an orangey shade and it's called Seductress. And this is what the color looks like. So I use that in the middle. And for the outer edges, I used, and this one is Revlon. It's shade 315. It looks like it says Pearl, but the writing is getting smaller or my eyes are getting older. It's called Iced Mocha, the color, and this is really a brownie kind of tone. So I did that on the outer edges of this. For the eye makeup today, it is in the shades of that real kind of aubergine with a little touch of brown mixed in. And all I'm trying to do is give my eyes a little bit of brightness. I have not been feeling superb, as you all know, thanks to my having fallen last week. And it's just taking me a little bit longer to come back to myself than I would have liked it to. So that is definitely not fun. Also wanted to show you, while I'm at it, this is a Milanese Shona Lip Art Ombre Stick. And when I got my last stuff that I got from them, this was part of a free gift with purchase. And this is, again, one of those ombres that has the two-tone for the lips. They have them for the lips, they have them for the eyes. Does not work on the eyes for me. Could be perfectly good product. But for me, it just, I don't know, it gets too messy working with it that way. I like it a lot for the lips because you can do your gradient without any work. It's easy. And this one I like because it has a normal retractable product. I hate the ones where you have to pull down for the product to go up. They tend to break easily. So those are some of my issues with the very few products of Milanese that are not my absolute favorites to use. This is actually what the one looks like in the eye. This came with that free product thing. This is Eye Art Ombre Stick. It's in a blue and looks like a charcoal gray or black. The color combination is fine. Again, for me, it's too creamy, messy. I like working with my powders a lot more and I have more control and it stays on all day long. So I'm really happy with what I'm already doing, and I just wanted to share that little tidbit with you. Going to share a little bit about the outfit that I have on today. It is not anything spectacular. It does have a nice design on the arms. The whole torso is just black. And let me see how I'm going to do this. I'm not sure how to do this. Let me see if I can just raise this up. That won't do it at all, will it? Okay, so I'm going to bring it down further so that you can get more. What is this? Something wound up on my top. Okay, this is it with a double strand of pearls that are white and black. And this is kind of a nice but simple look. Again, I have a belt on. I'm going to take a long shot so you can see it with the belt. I am wearing it with a pair of stretch jeans, but I'm going to be doing a whole video for you on the different jeans looks with different tops. But I like this, went out to lunch, so this is a little bit extra, but it has a nice look. And I also just wanted to show you, and let me bring this back up just a little bit. Okay, I just want to show you my very first square band. I think that's what it's called. This was a gift, and I'm so grateful for it. I thank you so very much. This is the silver. These are those headbands that have these arms that fold over. My problem with wearing the headbands, and I like to wear them sometimes just to keep my hair neat and to have them not blowing around, especially if there is some kind of wind kicking up. And this has that little bit of design right here at the elbow. And it was really very sweet. Thank you so much. I'm so happy for it and grateful. So that's essentially it. Nothing else different. Again, as I say, I will show you the long shot of me in this outfit. You can wear it with or without belt. You know I'm a belt lover, so it's really nice to be able to do this as well. I'll also show you a picture of my plate of what I had for lunch, which I'm sure you absolutely need to see. Not. And I'm going to remind everybody again that I've been trying to be better. And I must say that for me, for my treat, when I feel like I just need to have that something that feels like some kind of a sweet, I'm in love with the Atkins bars. They are the Atkins Nutrition, I think it's called caramel chocolate peanut bars, something like that. I'll have a link below to it. Don't buy them all out, please, because I really want them. And they are delicious, only 2 grams of sugar. And it has, I believe it was 7 grams. I think it was 7 grams of protein, though I cannot swear to it. The Atkins bar, it comes in 2 different sizes, the packages, to the best of my knowledge, or at least I've seen it in 2 different sizes, the 5-bar package and the 8-bar package. So I am going to eat that every day when I want something. I'm going to try to be cutting back on my sugar, at least some, because I need to. I really need to get my triglycerides down. And this has a lot of other healthy things in it. It's got some, well, not more than 10% of most of the vitamins, but if I eat 10 of them a day, no, I'm kidding. But still, every little bit helps. And if I'm going to have something, I'd rather have something that's going to help my body and not hurt it. So I wanted to share that with you. Once again, it's the Atkins Nutrition Bars, and I think it's called caramel. It's either called caramel chocolate peanut or caramel peanut chocolate. No, I think it's called caramel chocolate nut bars. I think that's what it's called. And as I say, a package of 5 or a package of 8. And to me, they are absolutely delicious. I love the crunch. I love the taste. I love everything about it. So once again, Meredith, thank you so much for introducing me to it. Never in a million years would I have found it, because I would never have looked for anything that Atkins makes necessarily. So I am grateful for that. And if I'm going to be bad, I'm going to be good bad. On that note, take care, everybody. And I will be back for our regular chats. And anything else that we need to talk about, you just give a holler and we're going to talk about it. Take care, everybody. You know I love you. Bye-bye. I'm an idiot. I am absolutely an idiot. You gotta know it.